Hey,
Hey.
Flynn here. Say hey, class.
Hey.
Hey. All right, so today we are going to review heavier and lighter. So we're just gonna review and see what we learned this year. So first we're going to start off with a game. Let me share my screen. All right, it's loading. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna ask my leaders that are here with me. Let's see. Go to the next slide. Okay, here we go. How do you know when something is heavy? First of all, who remembers what this is called? What is this called that we used in class?
It's a
scale.
A scale. It is. It's a balancing scale. And so how do you know when something is heavy? Does it go up or does it go down?
nail.
Down. That's how you know when it's heavy. And how do you know when it's light? How do you know when something's light?
Up.
It goes up. The scale goes up. So I wanted to play another game with you guys. And then you guys are going to help me figure out which one is heavy, which one is light.
This is going to be easy.
I know it. You guys have got this. We're working on it and getting our brains sharp. Okay? Because in first grade, you're going to be doing stuff like this, but it's going to be
Different.
rigorous. Okay? So I'm just getting you ready for first grade. All right, so our game is loading. And once again, I'll post this game link with the video. All right, so you guys gotta help me. Even you guys watching, point on the screen when I ask the question.
Tap the one which is heavier.
Tap the one that is heavier.
The polar bear.
There's a watermelon or a chili pepper.
Chili pepper.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
The watermelon, because the scale is going what? Down. That's right. Can you see my screen? Okay. Which one is heavier?
The watermelon.
No, it's a banana or a pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
The pumpkin. Awesome. We got some money. All right, Patricia, which one is heavier?
I can't see it.
Okay. It's cherries or an apple?
Apple.
An apple. Awesome. Good job. Which one is heavier? A flower or a banana?
Banana.
Banana. You guys are doing awesome. If there's going to be any lighter ones. Okay, which one is heavier, a flower or a watermelon?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. All right, good job. So later you can do that as well to practice.
Today.
All right, so let me make this really big.
Not that big.
All right, so which side is The
Down.
side.
Down.
Which side,
The
Irvin?
one down.
The one that's going down. Awesome. And the other side is the light side. So what two items over here do we want to measure? So this, want to put on our scale. So this one's a bear, a fire truck, an apple, an elephant, a rabbit, and you.
You.
And a kid. All right, so who do you want to put on the scale first? Irvin?
A fire truck.
The fire truck? Do you think that's going to be heavy or light?
Heavy.
Heavy. What do you think is lighter than a fire truck, Jonathan? What do you think, Jonathan?
The bear.
I don't know. Well, yeah, it is still probably lighter. Okay, good. But bears are really heavy too. But it is definitely lighter than
A fire truck.
a fire truck. All right, let's move these over here.
A
All right, what do you want to put on the scale now, Patricia, on the balance scale?
The elephant.
Okay, is the elephant going to be heavy or light?
Think light.
Think light. Okay, what do you think is heavier than an elephant?
A kid.
Okay, what do you guys think? You think that an elephant is light
Down.
and we are heavy? Thumbs up, down.
I agree with that.
You don't agree? Why don't you agree, Irvin?
Because elephants are heavier.
How do you know that they're heavier?
Hmm.
Have
They
you
look
seen one
heavy.
before?
I haven't seen one, but I know they're heavy.
Okay, awesome. Yes, so an elephant is definitely, it's really heavy. It's heavier than a kid. Good job, you guys. Way to work together. All right. All right, so now we have a rabbit and an apple. Which one do you think is heavier, Irvin?
Both of them look light.
Yeah, they do, but what do you think, which one do you think is heavier?
I don't know which one's
Okay.
heavy.
What do you think, Patricia?
I think the rabbit.
The rabbit, yes, the rabbit is heavier. And then our apple is lighter. Good job, you guys. Because sometimes, because we eat apples and apples are just little things that you put in your hand. But sometimes rabbits, when they eat a lot, they can be kind of heavy. There was some rabbits when we went to the farm.
I really want to touch a rabbit.
Yeah. All right. Now, we have some things that are in our classroom. So I'm going to change the scale now.
Whoa.
Okay. What two items do you want to put on the scale, Jonathan?
It's in this way. And the pencil.
Okay. So which one do you think is heavier?
The scissors.
Okay. Is this where I put the scissors?
Nope.
No, I put it on the other side, right? That shows that it's heavier. So the pencil is lighter than the scissors. Good job. All right, Patricia, which items do you want to put on the scale now?
I think the chair and the glue.
Okay. The chair and the glue. Which one do you think is lighter, Patricia?
I think the glue.
The glue, good. Because that's something that we hold in our hand. We can use that. And the chair, you kind of have to put a little bit more strength into it, right? You got to pick it up. Awesome. All right, now we have a kid and a paper. Where should I put them, Irvin?
So you have to put the kid on the bottom and put the paper cut on the top.
Okay, so the kid where it's going down, and the paper clip where it goes up. Awesome. So before we go, I do want us to do, we're going to do a bit of addition. Okay. So I know you guys got really good at addition. So I'm going to get you guys to help me. Can you look on your screen and see if you have a pencil so that you can write?
Get a pencil.
Well, you can write on the screen, Irvin.
On the screen.
Yeah.
How am I gonna do that?
On the screen, there should be like a little pencil so that you can write on the screen.
I think I can do it.
Do you see it? Do you see it, Irvin?
I don't see a pencil.
Do you see your pencil, Patricia?
Huh?
Do you see your little pencil so you can write on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So what we're going to do to
So
show,
it's not showing a pencil.
I'm using my mom's phone, so I ain't gonna show a pencil.
okay, you'll do it on your paper? Okay.
It's like I'm doing it.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to draw circles to show our addition. So how many circles do I need to draw first for this first one?
4.
7.
Oh wait, not all together. I want it, we have to draw it first, okay? So first we need to draw 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then what does this sign mean? Plus. And what does that mean we do?
We get a number.
We add. And what is that? What does add mean?
Add means that one more.
Does that mean take it away or put it together?
Put together.
Put it together. So that means we're going to draw 3 more. So I'm going to draw them over here so that you know that they're separate. So after 4 is 5, 6, 7. So I counted on from 4, but you can also just draw all your circles and then we can count them. So 4 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, you guys. All right. Ready to do the next one, Patricia?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, go ahead. I want you to draw the circles to the side. Okay, how many circles are you drawing? What is this first number? Patricia? 1. So you're going to draw 1. And then we said this meant put together, so you're going to draw how many more?
6.
6 more. Okay, draw them.
Nice.
Wait, let me put the screen big.
2,
Okay.
3, 4, 6, 7.
You can count out loud, Patricia.
Huh?
I said you can count out loud if you'd like. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. So let's check her work. Okay. So first she drew 1 right here. Get my drawing out. First she drew 1 and she drew 1, 2,
Wait, that's 5.
3. Oh, okay.
Well, let me do one more.
Okay, draw 1 more. Good job, Patricia. 4, 5, and
There.
6. Good job. So now we can count all of our circles to figure out how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, you guys. All right, you ready, Jonathan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me move this stuff a little. Okay. Is that all right? I'm gonna move your 6th one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right, go ahead, Jonathan. Do the last one. Make sure, I want you to show your work. I know you know the answer, but we need to show our work. So tell us, how many circles are you going to draw first?
9.
Okay, go ahead.
9.
Make sure you're counting, Jonathan. I understand it's hard to draw them, but make sure you're counting with him, okay?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Awesome. Now how many do we need to draw?
2.
Awesome. Thank you, Jonathan. Good job. All right, now how many is all together, Jonathan?
11.
11. Write the number. Good job.
Oh, Lord.
Awesome. All right. So tomorrow we will do a different review. It may be addition. It may be subtraction. So let me tell you your homework for today. You guys did such an awesome job. So your homework for today is, let me move this. You're going to draw something that is lighter than a pumpkin. And then you're going to draw something that is heavier than a pumpkin. So you don't necessarily, you just think, okay? I know you know something that's heavier. So you don't have to draw the scale. I just want you and your parent to write lighter and draw your picture and heavier and draw your picture, okay? Okay, so you don't have to draw this scale because I know it's a little tricky. So awesome. So that is your homework, and you will send it to me in a picture or a video if you want extra points. Miss White told you how many points you need to get to win something today. So I would send a video so I can get those extra points. Jonathan sent me a video yesterday, so he got those extra points. So in your video, you would explain lighter than a pumpkin because in your video. And then this is heavier than a pumpkin because, okay? Kind of what you would explain to me. Like, why do you think that's heavier? And why is it lighter? All right, so I'm gonna stop sharing my screen and I'm about to stop recording so you guys can say bye to everybody. Bye, class.
Bye.
See you guys later. I'll be looking forward to seeing your work.